Alright, in this video tutorial we're going to be looking at SimplyAnalytics, and this is a great database that will help you relate census and also other privately collected data to develop consumer pictures of local areas. It makes both tables and maps. Right now we're going to look at a table, and I've decided to start with the finished product of a table so you can see where we're going to end up. And I also want you to notice the different kinds of data that I've used in this table. It's not just your usual suspects of income and age. We've also got variables in there like, do people eat Greek yogurt in this location? Do people have a lot of stocks and bonds in this location? So there's lots of data you can get from this. So this is where we ended up. So I'll show you how we got there. On the left side of the screen, you're going to see categories of different kinds of data. Let's go ahead and choose consumer behavior, which is something you might not immediately select. Right now, it'll build a search for you. And let's say we're interested in people's food and beverage habits. So we go ahead and select that. We've already selected consumer behavior, so we're building a search here. Now it has auto-populated some choices for us over here. And if we want, we can get even more specific in case that is too many different kinds of data. So now we're getting down to something that's usable, that's very specific. To select the data and add it to your tables, you come to this, the three dots, hit that. We're going to use this data variable. Now underneath this window, which we can X out here in a second, that's where it went. It's in your table now. You also notice that each one of these categories has a number sign for just raw numbers in your location and a percent sign for percents. This is fairly easy to use. Now we'll talk about locations a little bit. Here's our table. You can search by zip code, county, metropolitan area. Those are the most common ones. Search by state. You can see, for the sake of this tutorial, I've put Austin as a city. It always includes USA data, and I also put in the zip code for San Marcos. But you've got options. What you're probably going to use is zip codes, the city, and the county as well. So you can type in Hayes County. So alright, that is the quickest way to generate a table like this.